Panchamrit is a divine offering filled with purity and blessings. But what if we gave it a modern delicious twist? Today I am making a Panchamrit cake using semolina for a light wholesome crumb and enriching it with nuts, coconut and the authentic Panchamrit ingredients. It's the perfect dessert for Prasad, festive celebration or even gifting. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cake Clichés Sneha. Let's make this beautiful blend of tradition and baking together. In a small bowl, coat almonds, cashews, raisins, pistachios and coconut with 1 tablespoon of atta. This prevents them from sinking while baking. In Indian tradition, Panchamrit is prepared with milk, curd, ghee, honey and sugar. So in a large mixing bowl, whisk together all of these ingredients until smooth and well combined. Make sure that all the ingredients are at room temperature. Now add semolina, baking powder and baking soda. Mix everything together. Also add a pinch of salt. Rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the semolina to soak up the liquids. Fold in the coated nuts, raisins and desiccated coconut evenly into the batter. Preheat oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, grease the cake tin, transfer the batter, top the level with nuts of your choice. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. It may take 5 minutes more or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the tin for 10 minutes before demolding. Let the cake cool completely before slicing at room temperature. And there you have it. This Panchamrit cake is more than just a dessert. It's tradition, devotion and celebration in every slice. The richness of ghee, the sweetness of honey and the comfort of milk and curd come together in the most beautiful way. Serve it as prasad, share it with family or gift it to loved ones and watch how it fills hearts with joy. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more festive delights. Until next time, thanks for watching this video. Happy baking!